Right now, we're going into Blazing Fury. This is a dark ride here at Dollywood, and currently the wait time is pretty much nothing. So we're gonna go down, check it out. Don't know if I'll be able to film, but we'll see. See you in a bit. Do what? Yeah. Tower. Do you see anything in there where it says you couldn't film or anything?
I don't know, looks like Fester.
Yeah.
Now, Molly, you be careful because I've got a weak back.
Weak back or not, Luther, here I come.
Did you see any signs anywhere that said you couldn't record or anything? Huh?
Can I get some privacy, please?
Yeah, it looks like you been using that steam train.
They changed that quite a bit. You can smell that chlorine though. There goes that rickety bridge. There we go. Uh-oh, here comes that train. Good time to coming. Here we go.
Here we go.
That was Blazing Fury. Fun as always.